Model, 2017 Volkswagen Transporter T30 Trendline 2.0 TDI engine knocking Euro 6 No Vat. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 102,192. MOT, the 25th of June 2025. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 150 PSE. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs with a nog. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Engine will need repairing or replacing grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, electric windows, parking sensors, 2 keys, air con.